Hey guys, welcome back, and we are going to be playing. Welcome back with another video on the Retro Bowl College Purdue rebuild. I did play the UCLA game last night, and it did not go well. It was 21 and a half. And then the second half, I just took a bunch of picks, had a bunch of fumbles. Nothing really just went my way at all. So yeah, so our first game, so we're playing against Indiana, and we'll play against Illinois. All right, so boom, as you can see, Indiana. This is a rivalry game actually. They're 1-1, we're 2-1. This is their first conference game. Indiana, nothing. Okay, they do miss their PAT though. So yeah, this is a rivalry game. I don't know what the rivalry is called. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, I mean, hey, Indiana's our in-state rival. So, good stiff arm by Surratt, inside the 20, the 15. The 10! 55 yards. And then for DeMarco. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. DeMarco. Take the lead? Yep. We take the lead. Now they do get their 2 points after that. Okay. 6 yards. I tried cutting it back in, force him out. DeMarco, I see you. One-on-one coverage. Yeah, put another body out there. DeMarco, 2 catches, 29 yards. Oops. You've got to be kidding me. How did he not recover that? Wait, you mean to tell me that DeMarco did not recover that? Dang it. All right, now we're down 21-7. Caught. Stiff arm by Gertie. 25 yards. If it works, it works. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. A little dump down to DeMarco. DeMarco, oh, he was so close to breaking that. 13, though. I feel like we need a speedy receiver. Like DeMarco, he's more of a rack kind of guy. He's not really a rack kind of guy. He's more just like a catch the ball and get like 1 or 2 yards afterwards. He's a physical guy. He's not a speedster. All right. Here we go. Second and long. Gertie's pretty. Everyone's really covered, so we're gonna run it. Howland. First down. First down, maybe. All right, just short. Third and inches. Yep, hand it off. I think we got there. I think we got that. Yep, we do. Run it between the corner and the outside linebacker, and we are down 7. 7. Yeah, now it's 7. Okay, we have 26 seconds to go down and make this a 7-point game going into half. And yeah, I'm gonna burn one early. Triple coverage. I'm not gonna burn one. I will burn one after next play. All right, 3 seconds left. Should I take a shot in the end zone? Let's see. This is either gonna work out or bite my face, and it bites me in the butt. All right, here we go. Here we go. We got this. Gertie has it. Quick little 17 yards. All right, we did get ball out of half, though. I probably should just settle for the 3. Making it an 11-point game. Let's start going for 2. Gertie. Actually, no. Thank you. Gertie distracted that corner, but we can't beat him. Ugh. Down at the 40. Turn it. 6 yards. And he stayed up. That could have been a lot more. Caught. 7 yards. Oh my gosh. We have it. Oh my gosh. I think we have it. I think we have it. DeMarco, second touchdown of the game. Second touchdown for DeMarco, and now we cut the lead to 7. We just need to pray for a punt. You pray for a punt. Defense, 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 defense. Ooh, diving grab by DeMarco for a nice first down right there. Oh, Surratt, make a man miss, fumbled, and it's another turnover. Oh my god, we're about to lose back-to-back games. Hmm. Hmm. Wasn't that just dandy? Huh? Still gonna keep running the ball though because Surratt can do it. 8 yards. Come on. Come on. Come on. 20 yards. All right. Still not too late to get back into this. We just need to recover 2 onside kicks. Okay. 8. Mm-hmm. Okay. Here we go. After recovering the onside. All right. Yeah. I scored. Recovered the onside kick. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Teamwork hope. There's time. There's actual hope. 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 Caught. Made a man miss. Gertie actually just made a man miss. Actually, no. Take off Howland. Howland. Dive. Howland scores. Oh my gosh, we just recovered it again. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my goodness. We could actually tie the game. Oh my gosh. Back to back onside recoveries. $45 left. We are an extra point away from tying it. But who goes for 2? Who goes for PATs when you could have a 2-point conversion? No way. This might be the greatest comeback in history. We won. We won. We won. I did not throw an incomplete pass all game. We are 3-1. We just beat Indiana. If the bye week, yeah, we're gonna raise some funds. All right. So after the bye week, get the quick dub, get the nice comeback dub over Indiana. We're gonna go into. We're gonna go into this week against Illinois. I don't know if this is a rivalry. I think this is. I honestly can't remember, but we're gonna go with the all blues versus the all whites. Like it's just nice to have a whiteout at home. All right, easy 4 yards. Work it. Find DeMarco. We have not played a ranked game yet, which is really weird. Considering that we're in the Big Ten and they have a lot of ranked teams. So who knows? And I got sacked. Okay, we're going to run the ball on 3rd and 8. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to run 13 yards. Here we go. We're going to drop it down for DeMarco. 14 yards. And here we go. I might actually hit DeMarco one-on-one. Go up. Easy 13 yards. Yeah, I feel like DeMarco is starting to get into some of his own. Oh, I overthrew him. I overthrew him. Here we go, second down. Just gotta wait. Sometimes you just gotta wait. And here we go. DeMarco in. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. Weed. And fuck this, bro. Yeah, we're down 7-0. Just like that. All right, let's go, Gertie. Gertie. All right. I mean, being down 7-0 is not bad, but it's still really early into the game. Oh, Guidry. His name's Guidry. 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 I don't know. Definitely not Gertie like I was pronouncing it. Nice grab. That is really good. Find him. Cut back in. 50. We do have one more play left here in the quarter. 11 yards. All right, so start the second. That's the first time we've been shut out in a quarter, I think. Which is congrats to the Illinois defense for that. But yeah, nice little touchdown right there. Puts us right back tied. Eight yards. Shoot. All right. Another 3rd-and-8 scenario. Oh gosh, break the tackle in the backfield. Make one, may miss. Can't make the second. You know what? This is no man's land. And I'm not punting. Howland, they kept some guys back. And that's why you just take off. Pick up 9 yards. Always get more than you need. 14 yards. 10 yards. Pretty good. 8 yards. Second and inches. Second and inches. 1st and 10. Throw to DeMarco. It's easy 12. Chance to tie up the game again. Are we going to do it? Are we going to fall flat on our faces? We're going to tie it up again. So I don't miss my PATs. Case in point. Okay, they kicked the field goal, which I mean, not bad. I can tie this up going into half. Oh, it's going to get out of bounds. 5 seconds left. I think if they blitz. All right, okay, it fell with 1 second left. You know, we're going to try it. From 55, it's on the way. Oh my gosh, it had the leg. He has the leg for 55. But they score. So DeMarco, what a grab. Guidry? Guidry. Nice grab by Guidry. I mean, sometimes, you just gotta. Oh, broken tackle. Make a miss. Touchdown. 30 yards. And this should be good. Here we go. Looking. Got him. Still down 7. But this is good. This is good. I think we go 4-1 if we win. If we win this game, we go 4-1. Here we go. And we're picked off again. That's just great. And yeah, they of course they score, you know. All right, we need to score. Either get a punt and then like force a punt, force a turnover, or one of the two, or we need to recover the onside kick, which we did twice last game. Never mind, we did it thrice last game, and we just got dropped. So we got third and medium. I'm still gonna hand it off, and you just got to go for it. You got to go for it. Pick it up. Oh, 15 yards. Doable. But I'll take 15 yards. If we got 15 yards every play, I'd be really happy. But 7, get out. DeMarco, are they going to fade over to DeMarco? They are. I guess they know I can't throw over the middle. I'm going to see how they react to this. Yep, DeMarco, easy grab. And we're going to go for the 1. All right, there's a minute 30 left. Illinois does recover. Okay, so I feel like here, and that's going to be the game. Third pick of the game. And it's 52-31. I'm not trying. Yeah, that is going to do it. This would be the end of the video. I'm still going to try to score another touchdown, though. Another catch. So 12 seconds left. Audibles, DeMarco. Deep cut. I don't know how he's catching this stuff. 3 seconds left. All right, 1 second left. And yeah, that will just be the end of the game. Still going to find Guidry. Could Guidry actually make it to the end zone? No, he stopped at the 1.5 yard, at the 2. The 1. So yeah, that will end the video. Offense. Yep. I don't really know my coordinator. So yeah, but anyway. Yes, guys, that's going to end the video. Next video, we will be playing Michigan and who else are we going to be playing? All right, so next game will be Michigan and Cincinnati. So let's just look at the schedule ahead past the 2 games for next video. We got Nebraska and Ohio State, Michigan State, Virginia, and then we finish off at Wisconsin. That will be the end of this video. Anyways, goodbye, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Like and subscribe.